Welcome back, Tauflader folks. Jeff and OG out here with you on our bright California day. We're not on fire right now, so we thought we'd come out here and shoot. Steve over at Fortune Cookie 45 LC YouTube channel has sent Jeff some of these super paradox. These aren't the regular paradox. Oh, no. These are super paradox. They have a little red cape that goes with them. The regular paradox is 1.5 ounce slug. These are 1.75 ounce slug. 1.75? I don't think that's even a thing.
Well,
maybe it is in the Ukraine or something.
It'll, you got to throw some bones out there because some people won't comment.
Easter eggs, that's right.
Yeah, Easter eggs of wrongness.
Yeah. So 1 3/4 ounce is about 8 hectares or 4 parsnips for those of you living outside the galaxy. We're going to fire these super heavy slugs out of the old Tauflader shotgun. Jeff has made a special little pad for me up here that we're going to stuff inside the shirt. We're going to fire these things. We're going to start downrange at about 30 yards. We've got some cool targets for you that are going to explode and leave some really cool video on the slow-mo. Steve, if you ever happen to get down through California's wildlands and we're not on fire, please swing by. We'd love to have you out for a shooting session out here. So come on down.
You ever coming down 99 or I-5?
We're kind of out in the middle of what they call BFE in most parlance. Yeah. So we're out here. We're always out here, and we're always looking to shoot and blow up some stuff. So enough talking. Let's get rocking with the super paradox.
Okay, we're at 30 yards.
We're at 30 yards.
Just demonstrate the power of hydrostatic shock.
We're going to aim for the water jug, correct?
That's right.
All right. When you're ready.
I am ready.
Here we go. I think just a little low.
Okay, try another one. We don't know where these are going yet. I would imagine a lot of drop because of the weight, though.
Okay, I saw a dust cloud out front, so I'm going to aim just a little hair higher. Ready?
Yeah. There we go.
Ready?
Yeah. There you go. We were getting around 1150 feet per second. Still supersonic, as you can see by the shockwave across the ground there. The Super Paradox is designed to be shot through smoothbore, rifle choke, and also full rifling. In fact, Steve had excellent results with impressive accuracy using full rifling. We're at, 25 yards now?
Yeah, I think you came just back a little bit from the splatter.
Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go, hopefully. Oh, yeah.
That's like a wild sound. You notice that was like, whoop. In this camera shot filmed at almost 9,000 frames a second, we can see a lot of oscillation of the slug. Considering this is about 300 times slower than real time, that thing is oscillating very fast. And despite that, the accuracy was still acceptable. Let's see if we can do something with that jack-o'-lantern.
Cantaloupe.
Jackalope?
Yeah, that cantaloupe down there. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh.
Now, much to my surprise, when I saw this shot, I was very surprised because it's absolutely rock steady and stable. Typically, when all the variables are exactly the same, you'll have the exact same result. So I can't explain why in this shot the slug was so stable, no waggling at all. And in the first 2 shots, we saw quite a bit of oscillation. In the next shots, we'll use a rifle choke and see if adding a little bit of spin will give us more consistent results.
We can't even go there and get the cans out right now. There's 3 cans of shaving cream in there, but
some Hickok targets out there.
Yep. Let's go for the kingpin right in the center.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go. Oh.
That was with a rifle choke.
Yeah.
Paradox nozzle.
Paradox. Here we go. Oh.
We now have a little bit of spin stabilization on the slug. The rifle choke is about a 1 in 35 twist, if I remember right. And we have relatively good stability and accuracy.
Okay, again with the rifle choke.
Yep, we're going to try for a corn explosion,
Yes, sir.
which oddly enough was the name of my Iowa-based country fusion band, Corn Explosion.
Country rap
Yeah.
fusion.
We used to open for Kenny Chesney until he went to commercial, and then we kind of split
He
ways.
sold out, dude.
Creative differences.
I don't know who he is, but I bet he sold out.
He did. He went down to the islands. He got too Bob Marley-ish for me.
Oh, no.
Go.
Again, with the rifle choke, we have good stability as it's flying through the air. Accuracy is acceptable. It's not great. I think if we dove into the loading as deeply as Steve does, we could incrementally find that sweet spot where we have more consistent shots and more accuracy. And that's one thing that Steve's really good at, is finding that ideal powder load so you have the consistency.
Almost forgot about the
Gold plate.
lead plate. Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Wow. Spun that thing around like a coin.
Yeah, it did. Heads. Here we go.
Wow.
So far, we haven't really demonstrated the energy of this Super Paradox slug. Remember, this is 800 grains. That includes the weight of the plastic wad. This is the heaviest slug we've ever shot through a 12 gauge, by the way. The Brennecke Magnum Crush slugs were 666 grains by comparison. Now, we could have loaded these a little hotter and gotten higher velocities, but considering that we had 9 or 10 of these to shoot, and shooting from the bench, the recoil would have been just absolutely brutal on Greg. So we got to consider things like that.
Plate really says a lot in comparison to other rounds that we've shot.
Look at that crater.
It's huge. And look, flip it. Can you flip it around? That thing weighs 30 pounds, by the way.
Good Lord.
Almost.
Almost wanted to go through. And folks, a little swimming tip from the OG: don't put a lead plate in your pocket if going swimming. 30
No,
pounds.
and knowing's half the battle.
That's right. Doo-doo-doo-doo. That is a crater.
That's good. Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go. There we go. There we go.
Well, it seemed that using the rifle choke and giving it spin gave it more stability, but then this happened. I can't explain, again, why in this shot the slug was oscillating so much. Anyway, maybe someone watching this video has some answers of why that's happening. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please rate the video. If you didn't like it, rate it too. Thanks for watching.